Are you looking for the best corded vacuums? In this video we will look at some of best corded vacuums. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Kenmore Intuition Bagged. The best lower mid-range corded vacuum we've tested is the Kenmore Intuition Bagged. This bagged upright doesn't feel as well built as the Sibo Felix, with more fragile feeling internal components, and its upright configuration isn't as easy to maneuver in tight spaces as the Miele's canister design. That said, it offers a pretty decent feature set at a relatively affordable price. It uses HEPA-rated bags and has a HEPA exhaust filter, resulting in very good air filtration performance. You can also release its dirt bag from the compartment with the press of a single latch, so you don't need to dirty your hands or worry about generating a plume of dust when taking it out. Its lift-up design lets you pick up and carry its canister body separately from the floor head, which makes it easier to clean hard-to-reach areas. The Kenmore's deep cleaning performance falls a little short of the pricier SEBO, but it's still quite effective on bare floors and carpets. Unfortunately, there's no floor head height adjustment, so the vacuum can sometimes get stuck on thick shag pile rugs. Thankfully, you can turn off the brush roll to prevent it from scattering around lightweight debris on hard floors. Number 4. Sibo Felix. If you prefer the all-in-one design of an upright vacuum, the Sibo Felix is a good option. This bagged upright vacuum comes with the same ET1 power head as the Sibo Airbelt D4 Premium, not to mention a parquet twister floor head for hard floors. That said, it does use a less powerful 1000W motor than its pricier stablemate as well as the Miele C1, which does mean you'll need to work a little harder in clearing more stubborn messes. On the upside, its upright form factor makes it a little easier to stow away when not in use compared to those corded models. The vacuum's unique pivoting floor head can rotate through 180 degrees or lie almost completely flat, making it easier to clean under tables and chairs. You can also detach its floor head and clean tight spots with its wand, though it's worth noting the vacuum is somewhat cumbersome to use in this configuration. This vacuum incurs relatively low recurring costs for a bagged model, due to its use of high-capacity dust bags and long-lasting filters. Still, if you prefer to completely avoid having to replace filters and dirt bags, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is worth a look. Build quality lags far behind the SEBO, and it's more of a hassle to clean out, but its bagless design keeps normal operating costs low. It's also a strong performer in terms of debris pickup. Number 3. Miele Classic C1 Cat and Dog PowerLine. The Miele Classic C1 Cat and Dog PowerLine is worth a look if you're shopping at an upper mid-range price point. Miele's Classic C1 vacuums don't feel as well built as any variant of the higher-end Sibo Airbelt D4 Premium. C1 models also have shorter power cables and lack an onboard tool storage compartment. However, all C1 models use a powerful 1200W motor, resulting in strong airflow and suction performance. The high-end cat and dog variant of the C1 also comes bundled with Miele's SEBO 228 powerhead, which offers 5 levels of height adjustment for deep cleaning different lengths of carpet, along with a parquet tool and a mini turbo brush for cleaning upholstered furniture. This model uses Miele's active air clean filter, which incorporates activated charcoal to trap odors as you clean. However, you can always swap it out with Miele's top-of-the-line HEPA air clean filter if you have serious allergies. Unfortunately, the C1 uses 2.5L dirt bags that are a little on the small side for a bagged vacuum, so you'll need to replace them often if you vacuum frequently or have large quantities of debris to pick up. Number 2. Shark Stratos UltraLight. The best corded stick vacuum we've tested is the Shark Stratos UltraLight. Compared to a high-end canister vacuum like the Sibo Airbelt D4 Premium, its performance is less impressive, and it doesn't feel nearly as well built. However, it's a much better fit for quick cleaning sessions thanks to its smaller, lighter form factor. Its headlining feature is a replaceable cartridge in its floor head that emits a pleasant detergent-like scent as you clean. It also uses the newest iteration of Shark's DuoClean PowerFin's floor head brush roll design that includes angled fins on its main roller to prevent hair from getting tangled in the mechanism. However, the design isn't perfect. You can't remove the primary brush roll, making it hard to clear away any hair that does get stuck. Another drawback is that, unlike the similarly named Shark Stratos Cordless, it doesn't have a multi-flex folding wand, so cleaning under most tables and chairs is much harder. Number 1. Sibo Airbelt D4 Premium. The best corded vacuum we've tested is the Sibo Airbelt D4 Premium. This high-end canister vacuum, usually only available from specialized vacuum retailers or SEBO's website, has a powerful 1250W motor, enabling it to easily suck up heavy debris or lift away material embedded within carpet fibers or deeper cracks. This premium model comes bundled with a pair of floor heads, one being a parquet tool for hard floors and the other being a power head with 4 levels of height adjustment, enabling it to adapt to a variety of carpet pile lengths on the fly. This vacuum also feels incredibly well built and has an easy-to-maintain design, which makes swapping out a dirt bag and installing new filters a cinch. Its S-Class filtration system also does an excellent job of locking in fine particles, which is handy if you suffer from serious allergies. While this vacuum's forecaster-mounted wheels allow the canister to be pulled in virtually any direction and make it relatively maneuverable, there's still no getting around the fact that this is still a heavy, bulky appliance that you'll need to muscle around a bit. Its stiff hose can also make it a bit of a hassle to use in really tight spots. If that's an issue, the Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog is a good alternative, though it's worth noting that its parquet tool struggles more with bulky debris than the SEBO's does.